Today I am answering a question many of you have asked me at the studio: how to apply evening cream to maximize its benefits. So I've prepared a simple tutorial for you, a routine that takes between 30 seconds up to 2 minutes depending on your available time. Firstly, ensure your face is properly cleansed. I recommend double cleansing, especially in the evening. Follow up with a toner if you use one and serum before applying your evening cream. Choose a cream that suits your skin type. Personally, I opt for formulas rich in regenerative ingredients for nighttime. Let's begin. Take about half a teaspoon of cream and distribute it evenly across your face. You should be able to see a layer of the cream on your skin. Massage any residue into your palms for easier application. Start with gentle stroking movements, working from your jawline upwards, massaging from the center outwards on both sides of your face. For the eye area, use inward circular motions. Stroke upwards between your brows and along the brow tails. On the forehead, stroke upwards and outwards. Next, perform a mini lymphatic drainage. Place thumbs under your chin bone and knuckles just above. Then firmly glide them outward along your face. Keep your jawline relaxed. Use knuckles under your cheeks and small X movements at outer eye corners. Gentle circular motions on the forehead and between brows. Now transition to tapping movements. Use the tops of your hands as tapping tools. Tap upwards along the jawline and then gently around the eyes and forehead. Finish with slow stroking moves to calm your skin. Now your cream is fully massaged in, ready to work its magic overnight, leaving your skin radiant, youthful and rejuvenated. Good night!